WinRAR versus Windows 11. What's the difference? Choosing the right software tool can completely change how you manage files and system tasks without confusion. WinRAR offers compression, while Windows 11 provides a full operating system experience. WinRAR and Windows 11 serve very different purposes. WinRAR is a file compression and archiving tool, whereas Windows 11 is a complete operating system. The core difference lies in their function. One manages files efficiently, the other powers your entire computer. WinRAR is a powerful file archiver and compression software designed to reduce file sizes and bundle multiple files into a single archive. It works by using advanced compression algorithms to create RAR or zip files, making storage and sharing easier. WinRAR supports encryption and error recovery, enhancing security and reliability. Its strengths include a user-friendly interface, compatibility with many archive formats, and efficient compression rates. However, it is not free software. After a trial period, users are encouraged to purchase a license. WinRAR is ideal for users who frequently handle large files, need to send multiple files in a compact form, or require secure archives. It excels in file management but does not offer system-level features like an operating system. Windows 11 is the latest version of Microsoft's operating system, providing a complete environment to run applications, manage hardware, and connect to the internet. It features a redesigned interface with enhanced multitasking, security improvements, and support for the latest hardware standards. Windows 11 works by managing system resources, user files, and applications seamlessly. Its strengths include a modern user interface, built-in security features like Windows Defender, and integration with Microsoft services. Limitations include hardware requirements that may exclude older devices and a learning curve for users upgrading from previous versions. Windows 11 is ideal for users seeking a reliable, secure, and feature-rich operating system for everyday computing, gaming, and productivity. Unlike WinRAR, it is not a file compression tool but the platform on which software like WinRAR runs. WinRAR and Windows 11 address different needs. File compression versus full system operation. WinRAR excels when you need to archive, compress, or encrypt files quickly, saving storage space or simplifying file transfers. Windows 11, on the other hand, is essential for operating your computer, running software, and managing hardware. For example, if you want to compress a large folder before emailing it, WinRAR is the tool to use. But if you want a modern, secure interface to run your daily tasks and applications, Windows 11 is necessary. The trade-off is clear. WinRAR is lightweight and specialized, while Windows 11 is comprehensive but requires compatible hardware and more system resources. Choose WinRAR if your priority is efficient file compression, archiving, and secure file sharing without needing a full operating system environment. Opt for Windows 11 if you need a full-featured, modern operating system that supports multitasking, security, and the latest hardware. It's the foundation for running tools like WinRAR and managing all your computing needs effectively.